And the yoga fever has taken across the streets of Bombay as well. And we have Aishwarya who's standing by at Marine Drive where people have gathered to do yoga. Aishwarya, what's happening at Marine Drive?
Well, since 5 a.m. this morning, they're almost wrapping up now. But all these people, thousands of people have gathered since 5 a.m. this morning to do yoga, meditation, all sorts of practices that have been done throughout the stretch of the Queen's Necklace that you can see. Some of them here are from the Shilpa Yoga School. And, I was actually smiling sheepishly because one of them asked me if I practice yoga every day, which I don't. Mostly I'm running on field. But I'm going to get some tips and get to know what it feels like to do yoga on a regular basis, because all of these people go to their centers, their nearest centers, and practice yoga each day. They're really regular, and the sort of energy they have today is just inspirational and motivating. You go to this yoga school each day. What motivated you to start yoga? Was it was it a New Year resolution, or how did it kickstart?
I started. I feel good. That's why.
But when was the first time you started doing yoga? What motivated you to do that?
I feel fresh. Friends and everyone was doing it. That's why I started.
Right. Ma'am, you have also been doing yoga for a long time. What motivated you? What was your inspiration?
Nice inspiration. And fresh feel and active.
So, what are the 5 yoga poses that you really would say has helped you stretch better, feel better, feel more energetic?
First, Surya Namaskar. Then that Tadasan. And then meditation.
So how many people have you seen turn out this morning? Since morning you've been here. How long was the yoga session? How many people turned out?
5 o'clock people started, and from till like 7:30 people are doing it.
Well, as you can see, there's a whole lot of energy out here. We'll go across and speak to a few more people here who have been sitting from Shilpa Yoga class.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Aishwarya. Surely, you and me both don't seem to be practicing yoga. My favorite asana is Shavasana. That's the only thing I love. But let's move on. And Snehi, we'll also listen into a video message that the PM Modi has for us.
आज शाम को भारतीय समय के अनुसार शाम 5:30 बजे करीब संयुक्त राष्ट्र यूएन के मुख्यालय में जो विशाल मात्रा में योग कार्यक्रम हो रहा है, मैं उसमें शामिल।
माननीय जगदीप धनखड़ जी,
आज शाम को भारतीय समय के अनुसार शाम 5:30 बजे करीब संयुक्त राष्ट्र यूएन के मुख्यालय में जो विशाल मात्रा में योग कार्यक्रम हो रहा है, मैं उसमें शामिल होऊंगा। भारत के आह्वान पर दुनिया के 180 से ज्यादा देशों का एक साथ आना ऐतिहासिक है, अभूतपूर्व है।
And on the occasion of International Yoga Day, we also have my colleague Bhavya Dua, who's standing by at Kartavya Path in New Delhi to take you through what's happening in New Delhi. Bhavya?
So as the world is all geared to celebrate International Yoga Day today, Delhi is no behind. Union Ministry of Ayush has selected 26 sites across New Delhi where yoga will be celebrated, and some of the places include Red Fort, Kartavya Path where we are standing right now, and some green spaces like Lodi Garden, Nehru Park, and also Talkatora Garden here in Delhi. And the New Delhi Municipal Corporation has expected some 54 2,500 people who will participate in these yoga celebrations today. And Kartavya Path is one of the main sites for that, and an arrangement for 1,500 people have been made here, and we can see people practicing yoga across the entire stretch, starting from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate back there. And we also see all the arrangements made by the NDMC, which includes food and refreshments for the people, nodal officers present at all of these places. Rather, we have also seen a lot of these green places in Delhi, like Lodhi Garden, Nehru Park, building up events to this day. So we have seen from 17th to 20th June people practicing yoga every day in the morning. So it started somewhere around 6:30 in the morning, and it is going on till for the next half an hour, and will be wrapped up by 8 a.m. in the morning. And the weather in Delhi is quite pleasant today, and in this weather, seeing people practicing yoga early in the morning is surely quite refreshing.